Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Nintendo Switch when it's not turning on or it's not charging. So let's go ahead and jump into this video right now. So is your Nintendo Switch not turning on no matter how many times you press the power button on the top of it or you charge it? Well, in this video I'm going to show you a simple method on how to go ahead and get your Nintendo Switch to turn back on. Now the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and take off the Joy-Con controllers on each side and put these off to the side. And one of the situations you may be running into is your Nintendo Switch not charging. Now what I've noticed in the past, if I use a USB cable like this one that's connected to a USB power supply like my computer or my Xbox, well, this typically would charge my phone a lot less and a lot slower compared to something directly plugged into the wall like this USB power cord for my phone. So if you have a power cord that's directly connected to your power outlet, this will charge far better than it would if it's connected to a USB power source. So what I'm going to do is take my phone charger that's connected to the wall and plug it into the bottom of the switch. And I'm going to go ahead and let this charge for a couple hours. So now that my switch has charged for a couple hours with a really good power source, I'm going to go ahead and press the power button and hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. So once you hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds, go ahead and press the power button 3 times afterwards, and then on the third time, go ahead and hold it down again and see if your Nintendo Switch will turn on. So hold it down initially for 10 to 15 seconds, then press it 3 times, and then on the third time, continue to hold down the power button. So now my Nintendo Switch is full battery life. Go ahead and reconnect the Joy-Con controllers. And start playing your Nintendo Switch. So hopefully this little tip right here helped you turn back on your Nintendo Switch and fix any not charging issues that you've been having. If it still doesn't charge, try leaving it plugged in overnight and see if that helps. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Nintendo Switch tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.